Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to connect Squarespace domain to your Shopify store. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store and take a look on the left bottom. You will see your setting icon. Click on it. Once you will click on the options setting, you will get access to your store settings. Scroll down a bit, and here you have to find option domain. Once you see, click on it. Now in the domain section, you will see different options, like connect to existing domain or buy a new domain. So like we have our domain. So we will click on option connect to existing domain. Once you will click on it, here what we have to do, we have to paste our Squarespace domain. So the first thing we will do is we will write www. And now let's jump back to our Squarespace, and you can see I am there. On the top, you will see two options, dashboard plus domain. Click on the option domain. Once you will click, below, you will see my domains, which I have on my Squarespace. From here, I will select the third one. Streaming made very easy, so click on it. Once you will click on it, just copy this. streamingmadeveryeasy.com. Once you will copy, jump back to your Shopify and here paste this. After pasting, click on the option Next. Below you will see connecting to your domain, but it is not connected. So you can also follow the instruction by clicking on the option to follow setting instruction. But that will be very hard, so just watch what I am doing. Click on the option Verify Connection. And here what we need to do, we need to enter some C&A name record. Let's move to our Squarespace, and here take a look on the left side. You will see a few options like Overview and DNS, so click on the option DNS. And here what we need to do is we need to add some records. Click on the icon Add Records. And the first thing we will do is we will add a CNAME record. So click on Type, and here select CNAME. After selecting, we need to enter shop.myshopify.com in the data. No need to worry. I will paste this in my description, so just copy and paste it here so you don't make any mistake. Once you write before clicking on option Save. We need to write host required name. So click and write www. After writing, click on option Save. Now this record has been saved. Now we will add a new A name record. So click on the option Add and write A plus enter this sign, which is already showing. And now write the IP like me. I said I will paste this video description, so you just copy and paste it here. After it, click on the option Save. Now both record has been saved. Move back to your Shopify store and scroll down a bit and click on Verify Connection. Once you will click on it. Now, you can see it's open, so you have to choose this one. streamingmadeveryeasy.com. And you can see already the target is online store and the domain type is primary. So we don't need to do anything here. But if your domain type is not primary, then click on the domain type and set it as primary. But for me, it's already selected, so I will copy the streaming media very easy from the top, and I will paste to a new tab, and will search for it. As you can see, after pasting it in the search bar is redirected to my store, and now it's connected. Maybe on your, it'll show not like this, so no need to worry, just wait for 48 hours, because it can take time of 2 days. And it was the way, but you can do it quickly.